So today I'm gonna show you how you can use the absolute cell reference in Excel. I have here a column of random numbers, and for some reason I want to generate another number, or it could be any kind of new data that is related to this column here. For this example, I want to multiply by 5 all these numbers equal to this cell, multiply by 5. I'll get the result of 5. But if I put the formula all the way down, you see that it gives me the value 0, because actual value of 5 is not stored in the formula. You see, it's multiplying by this empty cell right here. To fix this problem, you have to make this cell an absolute value. Shortcut from the keyboard is to press F4 to this value and make it an absolute by adding these two dollar signs here. Now, if I drag down the formula, you'll see that all the numbers will be multiplied by this value. The value is stored all the way down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.